In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import data into Excel. If you have data stored in a text or CSV file, importing it correctly can save a lot of time and reduce manual copy and paste errors. Excel has built-in tools that help you bring the data in and make sure it lands in the right columns. To begin, open Excel and look at the top area of the window. This area is called the ribbon. Now click the Data tab on the ribbon. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct tab, because the import options are located on the Data menu. When you select it, you will see a group of commands that relate to getting data from different sources. Next, in that Data tab area, you will find the Get and Transform Data group. Within that group, click Get Data. This is the starting point for many import workflows. It is important to choose Get Data because it opens the menu that lets you specify where your data is coming from, such as a file on your computer. After you click Get Data, hover over from File. Hovering matters here because the menu will expand and reveal additional choices. When the submenu appears, click from Text/CSV. This tells Excel that your file is either plain text or a comma-separated values file, which is one of the most common formats for exporting data from other programs. Now it is time to locate your file on your computer. When you click from Text/CSV, Excel will open a file browser window. Browse your computer to find your target data file. Look for the exact file you want to import, and check the file type. Once you find it, double-click the file to load it into the import process. Double-clicking is the key action that confirms which file Excel should read. Once the file is selected, Excel will show a preview window. This preview is one of the most helpful parts of the import process because it lets you verify that the data is being interpreted correctly. Spend a moment reviewing the preview. Look at the columns and make sure the fields align the way you expect. For example, you want each column of information to appear under the correct header or separated by the correct boundaries, such as commas or other delimiters. If the preview looks off, it is better to notice it now rather than after the data is loaded. In this step, focus on alignment and spacing between columns. The goal is to confirm that Excel is reading your data in a structured way. When the preview matches your expectations, you can proceed confidently. Finally, import the data into your worksheet. To do that, click the Load button at the bottom of the preview window. This tells Excel to bring the dataset into the workbook. After you click Load, Excel will process the file and place the data into your sheet, ready for you to analyze, sort, or format. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to import data into Excel from a text or CSV file using the Data tab and Get Data workflow.